Drop top time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1966 Ford Fairlane 500XL. Real deal 500XL convertible. You can tell by the VIN as well as the door tag. You'll be able to check that out in the still pictures, and I'll tell you about still pictures here in just a second. First, let's look at these stacked headlights. Chrome bumper, grille. Looks good up front. Also want to let you know this vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the purchase price. And it may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Now, call any questions, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. $390 underneath the hood. There'll be still pictures of that, as well as the underside, interior, trunk. $390 paired up with a C6 automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes. So nicely equipped car. Wheel covers, white wall radials. Let's take a look down the passenger side of this car. By the way, this would be medium turquoise metallic, paint code U, and you'll be able to see that on the door tag, as well as the VIN and other information in the still pictures. As you can see, no major nicks, dings, scratches up and down the passenger side there. White vinyl top, power top functions as it should. At the end of this video, we're gonna raise it up, let you check it out. Aqua color interior, bucket seats up front, center console. That would be the original color of the car too, aqua. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation also. Take a look at the chrome in the rear of this. Also, looks like the bumpers are probably re-chromed. They're in awful nice shape. As well as the bright work around the taillights on both sides and on the trunk deck lid. Paint shows well in this one. Nice car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Remember, we also have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. Want somebody to come and take a look at this car for you. Report back. Maybe you can't make it due to distance or time. Not a problem there. We do try to represent them as fairly as we can with all the pictures that are taken. A walk-around video like this. And then there's also going to be a little driving video at the end so you can see what it's like to ride along in this car. And as we look down the driver's side, again, you can see free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches once again. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. We'll take a look underneath the hood. No rips, tears, holes in the rear seat, or the fronts for that matter. Seat belts for 4 passengers, door panels, and badging, all 500XL. And this is a true 500XL. It does have a FM converter down here. I'm going to show you how that works in a second. AM radio in the car, but you can play FM through that converter. So let's go ahead and we're going to turn the key on. I'll show you this in a second. Right there's where you want to have your AM radio tuned to. So basically about just after the R, we're going to go ahead and turn it on. And there you can hear it's playing. Now, that is off this right down here. So if you want to change FM stations, change it down here. It's pretty good reception too. So you can leave it there, come back up here, and you're going to run the volume. So FM is working from the converter. All right. Looks like fuel gauge. There is a clock for this. Looks like somebody was possibly going to plan on installing a clock. That's in the trunk. Take a look at the still pictures. There's a dust cover, some miscellaneous parts back there also. You'll also see aftermarket gauges, voltmeter, oil pressure, and water temp. That was a cold start. I wouldn't expect that gauge to be up. I also had the wipers working. Dash looks good. Door closes nicely without much effort. Sounds good. This is a car. Get in, turn the key, and go. Have some fun. A little rumble coming out of that 390. So it'll turn some heads with the way it looks and the way it sounds. Alright, I'm going to slip up to the front here, pause this 1 second, and pop this hood, check out this engine bay. There's the underside of the hood, just as clean as the rest of the car. There it is, 390 V8, aluminum radiator, power brakes, power steering, some nice dress up with the chrome, valve covers, air cleaner cover, fan shroud, battery disconnect, got it stored it all or in between dries, turn off the battery, 4 barrel on there, good looking, nice tidy engine bay. And last but not least, let's check out this power convertible top. And let's check out this top. So white vinyl, power top, functions as it should. Nice tight fit above the windshield. Also rolled up the side windows. So you can see how those fit in there. Fit back here. Rear window. Looks like a little older top, but it's in nice shape. Haven't noticed any rips, tears, holes with it. You need to stay out of maybe just a garden variety shower, a little rain, maybe the sun off your back. It's going to serve the purpose just fine. Side glass fits good on the passenger side. And remember that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate. 507-386-1726. 1966 Ford Fairlane 500 XL convertible, 390 underneath the hood. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. We do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1966 Ford Fairlane 500 XL. This car is a convertible. It is a brilliant turquoise color inside and out. Our factory AM radio is working. This car has a nice exhaust note to it. Very easy to steer, good power steering. Our turn signal indicators are working. Good acceleration from this Ford. Under the dash we have a triple gauge set. The oil pressure showing about 30. The volts at 13 and a half. And temperature approaching 170. Our windshield wipers are working. Fuel gauge reading 3/4. And we're doing 55 miles an hour. The speedometer working well. Odometer reads 14,927. That is a 5-digit odometer. If I let go of the steering wheel, this car stays nice and straight in the lane. Brakes nice and straight. The brakes work well. This car corners well. Corners as you would expect for a 1966 Ford. Good kick down transmission. This would be a great road tripping car on a nice day like today. Take a look at all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.